Hi everyone, my name is Julie. I'm the Senior Transfer Admissions Counselor here at San Diego State University. Today I will be covering how to enter in your colleges that you may have attended while you were still in high school. That is called dual enrollment or dual credit. I will also cover how to put in your college coursework, so your actual college classes that you're completing while you are still in high school. So first things first, you'll need to make sure that you list every single college that you attend. For example, if you are attending Steel Canyon High School, but you are taking a college class at Grossmont College, you will need to enter that college in. So you'll first click colleges attended. This can be found in the academic history section of your application. So we'll click add a college or university, and you can simply start typing in the search bar. So for our example, we will say Grossmont College, and you'll notice that it pops up right there. This next question is asking you if you earned a degree from Grossmont College or you're planning on earning a degree from Grossmont College. Sometimes high school students will earn an associate's degree. For the most part, you're usually taking a few classes. So for the purpose of our example, we will put no, that we are not going to be earning a degree. You'll then want to indicate the term type for the college that you're attending. Typically, these schools will be on a semester system. And whether or not you are receiving in-state tuition or you're paying out-of-state tuition while you attend Grossmont College. Again, for the most part, our students are classified as in-state. Then you'll need to put in your dates of attendance. So this is when you attended or are planning to attend Grossmont College. Let's say that the first semester you took a college class while you were in high school was fall of 2023. So you'll click fall. The fall semester typically starts for Grossmont in August, and then you'll put the year 2023. If that semester was your last semester at Grossmont, you'll put fall. The fall semester finishes in December in 2023. That might be just for my folks who have only gone for one semester at Grossmont. If you have completed multiple semesters and you're still going to Grossmont, or perhaps you're planning to take some spring classes, you'll need to check this box here. This is for students who are perhaps in a college course right now at Grossmont or are planning to take more courses in the spring. That means you will not have an end term just yet, and that is okay. Once you do that, you can hit save. And you'll need to make sure that you add all of the colleges you attend. If you take one class at Grossmont and perhaps you take another class at Cuyamaca College or Southwestern College, you will need to enter that school in separately. But for the purpose of our example, we will finish here, and then we will move on to the college coursework section. This is the section where you input all of your Grossmont classes. So it's very helpful in cases like this to have your unofficial Grossmont College transcript in front of you, not your high school transcript. You'll want that information directly from Grossmont. And when in doubt, you can always contact each school and ask for an unofficial transcript so that when you're putting in this information in the application, it's accurate and correct. So we will start putting in our classes. You simply need to hit start and you add your first semester. So for us, our first semester was fall of 2023. And because this is a past semester, this semester is marked as completed, which means we should already have grades. And then at that point, you click Add a Course. What you simply need to do is start typing the course that you took. And again, you should be looking at your unofficial transcripts when you do this. So for our example, we can start typing English. And we will put in English 120. You really should be selecting these from the drop-down menu instead of typing them out yourself manually. So we'll click English 120. You'll notice that the course title populates on its own. You don't have to do anything. Same with the units. All you're responsible for is putting in your grade. And you hit save. Let's put in a semester that we're planning. So this semester has been completed. Let's add the spring semester now. So we'll click Add a Semester. And let's say we're going to take a course in spring of 2025. We'll click 2025. And under completion status, this semester has not happened just yet. So we cannot say that it's completed. We don't have grades. So we will instead choose in progress or planned. And now, same thing as we did before, you click Add a Course. And so for this example, let's say that we're going to take a math course. We can go ahead and choose Math 160. This is a statistics course. And just as we saw above, the course title and the units will pop in on their own. You don't have to do a thing. And here, you'll notice it does not allow me to put in my grade. And that is because we have not taken the class yet. So that is normal. You simply just need to hit save. And so these are two examples of what a finished semester looks like and an in progress or planned semester looks like. And as a reminder, you should be putting every single college and putting in every single college class that you took, that you attended, and that you plan to take as well. Okay, that way we can get an accurate snapshot of how you look academically. When it comes to A through G matching, these courses will not automatically match in your A through G. Okay, so if you want your college classes to count for A through G credit, you will have to go in and manually input the years of A through G that you are earning. Okay, so you'll have to input that in there. Now, we will cover A through G matching a little bit more in depth in another video, so we will see you there. Happy fall application, everyone.